Hey there, if you love drawing and art is something very near to your heart, but somewhere the life is pushed you away from it, then this video is for you. Hi, this is Supriya, realistic drawing coach and portrait artist. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to share important things. First, why I started this channel. So what is actual reason to start this channel? Second, what you will get here, what kind of videos and what kind of content. And third, how I started this channel and how I earned 1 lakh rupees and 15,000 followers only by 6 videos. Okay, let's begin. Let me ask you something honestly. How many of you loved art in school time? Yes, we all created drawings, we enjoyed the creativity, and we experienced a lot, right? What happened after the 8th grade? Art as a subject was completely removed from the syllabus. This is so unfair because so many lives over there want to build their life in the art field. So if someone loves physics, there is a path. Someone loves commerce, there is a path. If you love to create art, there is only one opportunity. You have to join a fine art colleges. Otherwise, there is no clear route. I have seen so many people out there, they have a deep love towards art, but they do not able to continue. Not because they lack the passion, because they lack the guidance. That is where this channel exists. This is actually my mission and my life purpose now. I want to create at least 1 million students to learn drawing, and also I want to create at least 10,000 art mentors who really spreading the art. Just imagine how the spreading speed will be. So we can just destroy that statement like art cannot be a career. So it was common, like so many students, so many people, so many lives was just avoided from art. The people think like the art will not give you the best career and you can't able to earn good money in that profession. So that is what the common myth inside our society, but don't go through that because that was completely wrong. Some artists over there, they are earning in millions and billions. So you have to build your skill and multiple skill sets along with the artistic skill. You have to learn marketing, and you have to learn how to create your portfolio and how to showcase your art into the world. And also I'm already running a paid community over there. I have seen so many students who struggle with the basic things, so I know where the people actually struggle in the beginner stage. This channel is about learning realistic art, drawing process, and the skill development. And in this channel, I help people who really love to learn art into the higher extension, and they really want to create the masterpieces, and they have concern about building their hobby in their life. As I know what beginners struggle with, and also I am creating the environment and the community structure where each and every people, whether their age is different, whether their grasping is different, whatever it may be, but they can learn very easily inside our community. Before telling you what you will get here, I will tell you something even special. I have not come from the art background. I have come from the science background. So I have learned science from the childhood. As per the common societal nature, even our parents also kept art out of the subjects, and it was never allowed to go deeper in that. But still, art not left me. Somehow, I found a way to reach out that. So I became a physics lecturer and I worked for 6 years, and I made a brave decision one day, and I stepped into professional artist journey, and that's where the real courage and the real story started. And now it was going to the multiple students, and it was reaching into many lives who were learning art very happily inside our community. So if you resonate somewhere to my story, if you relate into my story somewhere else, then you can comment as resonate, in the comment box. I will see each one of you who will resonate my story, like so many lives over there who resonates to my story, because lot of them wants to learn art and they have immense love towards art, but nobody is supported and they don't have a proper guidance and step by step structured learning. And that is where I am working to serve. Don't just sit with the myths like art will not be a career. It was actually the wrong sentence. Art be the best career today. So the best example is me, like someone who completely shifted her life from the something called the career, the best career from the society, and I changed it and I switched from physics lecturer to professional artist today, and I'm successful and I'm earning well in this field. And you can also do better and you can run your family and you can achieve your dreams and you can grow into an next level to an ultimate extent through the art only. You have to learn some skill set along with your art. So you have to be very passionate and you have to be very serious to come into this field. That is, two things is enough to make a lot of earning in this field. Because talent is common, but the success story is not common. If you are born with talents, but if you are successful, then it is actually you build that. On this channel, you will get realistic drawing tutorials and drawing tips and techniques, beginner mistakes, as well skill building exercises, mindset and art growth, and how to build your career in this field. Also, I will stream live on YouTube. Through that, I can reach you to teach you something realistic drawing. I will also be sharing my students' work and community success stories, transformation, and inspiring journeys. Now, I will share about my YouTube journey, when I started and how I succeeded in this, and how I earned 1 lakh rupees only by 6 videos and also 15,000 subscribers. Alright, let's get into my screen. I started my YouTube channel in 2020 when the COVID hits and everybody inside the home and everybody in the isolation. And most of the people started something creativity. They did something art, someone did something craft. So same, I have also created something craft over there. And also I think to post those things, whatever I had did only for my enjoyment. I posted it on YouTube channel and I started YouTube channel on 2020 July. Alright, this is what the first video of mine. So which was created with a basic Android phone, and you can see here now it is completely private. I will tell you what is the reason behind that later. And this video crossed like 4 lakhs. And also very next video is about these things. Okay, so on that time Radha Krishna serial was very famous, and I was so admiring the characters and the dressing of that characters, and I really wanted to create the same dressing in the doll. So it was actually the childhood hobby of mine. I really love craft as well, the art. So that's why I created Radha. When it hits, when it go viral, I was so surprised and I created related video, and I also created Krishna doll making video as well. Okay, after that, so only by these 3 videos, like this was not hit much, this baby doll, pea bunch video, but look at the views here. Mahabharat serial Draupadi doll and Krishna doll, look at the views number, 4 lakhs something. And just these videos made my channel monetized. Okay, that was the very surprising and happy moment. So because I never expected within 2 months I will monetize YouTube channel. Like I have heard many people have tried 10 to 12 years to monetize the channel, but they failed in that. I was surprised, like God gave me the success in a very short time. And also I continued creating Ma Durga. This doll was so near to my heart. It was actually came very pretty, And for this video, I got 1 million views. Okay. So after this, I created little Krishna doll and also Shiva and then Lakshmi, so many things over there. And this one, Rama, Sita, this also hit 1 million, and this Shiva doll creation also hit 1.3 million. So all these things actually made me to earn around 1 lakh rupees. Yes, I will show you in the revenue. So this is actually showing for the last 28 days, but let me make it for lifetime. See the revenue, like 1 lakh 2,936 rupees. 1 lakh 2,000 sums. So you can see yourself like how much I earn only from 6 major videos. And yes, you can see 15,000 subscribers from those videos and 5 million views, the complete total 5 million views. So you can see my channel clearly. So, and definitely this is what the result if you start something with the brave step without worrying about the result. Actually, this will happen by making doll, creating doll decor. That's it. But it's not about the earning money. Sometimes the purpose of your life also hits you. So when I started learning realistic art, I don't want to mix the doll decor as well to the realistic art in this channel, because I really want to create a space for the students, to the audience. They really want to love one particular thing into the higher level. They want to specialize the realistic art. Let me not serve multiple things. We may know hundreds of things, but let us be work on single direction. So that is what my thought. Even I will earn money through this if I kept open this video. But I don't align to my purpose. So that's why I privated all the doll decor videos for now, and I started to work in this direction. So it's completely dedicated to the drawing, and only I will teach the drawing related things and the inspiring things about the drawing and how to build their career in this field. All right. And yes, you learned about how I earned 15,000 subscribers and 1 lakh, and I have shown all the things in front of you. And the biggest lesson I learned was it is not about posting more, it is about posting with clarity. So, choosing a single direction and understanding what you want to create and what you want to serve others. Today, this channel is not about views and money. Maybe I may earn if I go through that, but it doesn't serve my purpose. So that's why I choose this path, and I choose to serve artistic peoples. And it's about the greatest purpose to serve myself, to teach, to guide, and to build artistic journey. So if you are a person who wants to learn drawing, and this is the right place where I'm going to post the learnings of drawing, not the random content. And if you're thinking art do not be a career, then don't worry, just follow and just subscribe this channel. Through this channel, you will get all the inspiration and all the backup support to build your career in art. If you're a person who really wants to learn faster, if you really want to build your success story in a 10x speed, then here is an opportunity. You can join our paid community where I was teaching everything realistic art step by step. You can book a demo class. So I will just post the link below in the description box. Just go and register yourself. It was completely free, and through that you can experience the pre-learning. Over there I can share what are the beginners mistakes while doing the art, as well how to create a soft shading technique and what are all the professional tools. So the secret tools professionalist artist uses, and also how to take your art and how to take your portraits so into the next level. A lot of things I'm going to share over there. And if you really serious to learn art, and if you really wants to build your career in this, you can just join in our paid community anytime, and the link will be given in the description box. So give it a chance, just attend the demo class. It was completely free, and there you can experience a lot of learning, and you can come into the place where actually the so many artistic peoples will gather. And yes, the link is given in the description box. Don't forget to register yourself into the free demo class because it is completely free. There is nothing to pay over there. Thank you so much for watching. So if you are here until now, that means you are really have an in-depth love towards art. You have a bright future in art if you started. If you started to learn art as well, the other skills which is helps you to grow to an ultimate level. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I will come up with another video. Thank you.